Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BerryFae. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my 3 steps to getting clear and beautiful skin. Let's get started. So in today's video, we're going to be using DUVOLLE's Radiance Skin Care System. The brush's spinning motion removes dirt, makeup, and excess oils more thoroughly than your average washcloth. Each pore gets individual attention. So for me, because I wore makeup all day today from filming other videos, I am going to remove all of my makeup. For my eyes, I'm using micellar water, and then for the rest of my face, I'm using my makeup remover towel. The Skin Care System has 2 interchangeable brushes so that you can always be washing your face with a clean brush. The fine brush bristles gently removes dead skin cells and unclogs pores to reveal that radiant, fresh, and clean hiding underneath. You are both exfoliating and cleansing your skin. Exfoliation helps improve skin's appearance while elevating its ability to absorb skin care treatments post-wash. You can use this brush on any part of your body, not just your face. Arms and legs love a good exfoliation too. If you use the Radiance Skin Care System before tanning, the exfoliation ensures that your tan lasts longer and looks more natural. The pumice stone attachment is an incredible tool for softening rough skin on your feet, on your elbows, on your heels by removing all calluses and dead skin cells with ease. The Radiance Skin Care brush is waterproof and designed for you to use it in the shower. You don't have to plug it in, you don't have to charge it. All you need is just 4 AA batteries and it'll keep it running like clockwork for months. Not only are you getting an incredible face washing tool, but a whole spa day worth at home. Treatment, skin glowing, and just gorgeous. Did I forget to mention that this is perfect for males as well? This is not a woman's product. This is an everyone's product. Whether you're going to use it on your face, on your arms, on your feet, whatever you need smooth, radiant skin, this Radiance Skin Care System is for you. And don't worry, I got 70% off. Yes, 70% off coupon code for all of my followers. Just use the code BerryFae at checkout and get your skin brush for only $28.50, you guys. That's a steal. Get you one of these. Live your best life. Take care of your body. Self-care, self-love. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.